Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be creating geode epoxy resin bookmarks. Let's mix our resin first. The mixing ratio for epoxy varies, so please ensure that you read the manufacturer's label carefully. In this video, I added 30 ml resin to 30 ml hardener. I then stir the mixture slowly for at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the mixture should be clear and streak-free. Next, separate the mixture into smaller containers. Add glitter and gold foil in the containers as demonstrated. You can use any brand or color of your choice. Before you add the mixtures to your silicone mold, ensure that your mold is clean and free of dust particles. You can use an alcohol wipe or tape to clean it. Next, add the gold foil mixture to the cavities of your mold. The gold foil should be placed as a barrier for your glitter mixture. If you are enjoying the video so far, please like, share or subscribe. Now that the gold foil is added, add the glitter mixture as demonstrated. This next part is optional, but I decided to add a different color foil in the remaining spaces. Let the mixture cure for at least 24 hours. Next, add a small amount of white pigment to resin mixture. Stir slowly until pigment is fully incorporated. Pour the mixture slowly in each of the cavities. Let the mixture cure for at least 24 hours. Now that the pieces are fully cured, it's time to demold. Gorgeous! It's now time to add tassels to your bookmarks. Insert the looped end of the tassel through the hole of the bookmark. Then, insert the other end of the tassel through the loop. Repeat the same steps for the other bookmarks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon.